friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. We are going to make a bookmark today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require an origami paper which is 15 by 15 centimeters. Now, let's hold it like a diamond and start folding it. At first, we will do it from corner to corner. And once again, let's fold it from this corner to this corner. That's right. Let's fold it together. Lovely. We got a center line. Now, why don't we open the flap like this? Great! Now on the left side, let's take it down towards the bottom end. Let's repeat the same thing on the right side as well. Great! The next step is, we need to put these two parts inside this pocket. Something like this. Why don't we put the other side inside the pocket which is formed right here? Let's push it inside the pocket and stuff it in. Lovely! Once we are done with this, why don't we start making our animal or cute little bunny right here? For this, we are going to make its eyebrows, eyes, nose, and then its whiskers. Once we are done with the drawing with our pencil, why don't we take our sketch pen and start sketching it? You can also color the black color with your sketch pen. Once we are done with this, why don't we keep it aside? Now, we are going to make the ears and the teeth. For the ears, let's keep the bookmark on the sheet and then start taking a measurement. Yes, we are going to make an upside down U. Now, why don't we cut it? Let's cut it right on top of the pencil marks. Make sure you keep your scissor away from your face. Now, why don't we stick this green part right on top of the blue paper? Do you know why are we doing this? So that we can get a different shade for the ear as well. Now, let's keep some gap and give it a nice outline and then cut it. This looks great. Now it's time to stick it. Make sure you stick it from behind the bookmark or behind the face. Now let's start making two rectangles and make the teeth. Why don't we sketch it now? And then cut it. Now, let's stick it right here. Why don't we stick the teeth just like this? After that, it's time to stick the ears. Make sure we stick the ears from behind the face and not on top of it. Make sure it is from equal distance from the center line. And our bookmark is ready. Why don't we try putting it on our book? This looks so cool. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Stay tuned for our next video.